Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and verify identity for State Farm Insurance, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your device. In the search bar, type State Farm Insurance and hit enter. Once on the State Farm website, look for the sign in option at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the sign in option to proceed. If you do not have an account, locate the Create an Account link and click on it. You will be prompted to enter your information such as your name, email address, and date of birth. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. After filling in the required details, click on the Submit button. Next, check your email for a verification link from State Farm. Click on the verification link to confirm your email address. Once verified, return to the State Farm website and sign in with your newly created credentials. Upon signing in, navigate to the Identity Verifications section. Here, you will need to provide additional information to confirm your identity. Fill in the requested personal details, including your social security number and address. Make sure to double-check all entries for accuracy. After entering your information, click on the Verify Identity button. Wait for the system to process your information. If your identity is verified successfully, you will receive a confirmation message on the screen. If verification fails, follow any additional instructions provided to resolve the issue. Once your identity is verified, you can access your policy details and other services. Remember to log out of your account when you are finished. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.